Hi, children. Today, let us learn something new. What is it? Who can read this? Nouns. We are going to study. We are going to look at the pictures. Now, what are nouns? Nouns are names of things, names of places, names of persons. Yes? So, persons, place, things. Yes? Now, person is a boy or girl. Place is a hospital, school. Yes? Thing, anything in the house. Animals, any animal, domestic or wild. So, today we are going to look at pictures. Learn with pictures, nouns. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing. Any animal, anything, any place, any person. Yes? So we are going to look at the pictures and it's a very interesting exercise. Enjoy yourself. So we are going to study. We are going to look at nouns. Look. Curd. Here we are. Isn't it colorful? Yes. Look now. Nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are names of person, names of place, boy, house, names of things, anything in the house. Yes. And names of animal. Here is a cat. So, in picture, you can remember what are nouns? Nouns are names of persons, place, things, animals. Isn't it interesting? Okay, so today we'll be looking at lots of pictures, persons, place, animals, and things. Good. Let's look at first nouns, that is person. Shall we? Good. Here we are, noun, person. Okay, names of persons. Look, is it enjoyable? Yes. Interesting? Yes. Look what you have here. Names of persons. Who is this? Cop. Who is a cop? A policeman. Cop. Spell cop? C-O-P, cop. So, noun. Name of a person. Here is the person, cop. How does the cop help you? On the road, when you lose things, anyway. Good. So, first thing you learn. Yes? Let's look for more persons. Yes? Good. Here we are. Who's this? When you are not well, you go to the hospital, you see a big smile. Who is he? Doctor. Doctor is a person. It's a noun. No, huh? Doctor is a noun. He helps you when you're not well. He works in the hospital. What does he wear? He wears a nice white coat. Yes? Good. Shall we look for more persons? Good. Here we are. Here's a little boy. A little boy named a person. Boy. With a big person with a man. Boy is the name of person. Okay? So, noun. Boy is a noun. Good. So, how many nouns you learned? Cop, doctor, boy. Good. Let's look for more. Here is another noun. Noun person. Baby. Can be a girl or a boy. Baby. Baby is a noun. Name noun. Yes, person. Good. So we are learning today nouns. Each of these words, baby, boy, doctor, cop, all are nouns. Good. Let's look for more. Look what we have here. Girl. Noun. Boy, girl, baby, all these are nouns. Okay. There's a lovely little girl. Spell girl, Girl. Girl. So girl is also the word noun. Okay, person. Noun, person, girl. Okay, shall we look for more? Is it interesting? Are you learning? Good. Here we are. Now let's go to noun places. Okay, we are going to look at some places, noun places. Shall we? Good. Here's the first one. What do we have here? Do you go to the beach? Yes. What do you do there? You play, you pick up shells, you make castles, you look at the sky, you look at the water, you play with the sand. Yes, beach. Beach is a place. The word beach, beach, beach. It's a noun. Place, okay? Beach is a place. The word beach is a noun. Good. Are you happy to go to the beach? Who takes you to the beach? Your daddy. Yes, you must go to the beach, spend some time, play in the sand, play in the water. Good. Let's look at another place. Noun place. And here we are. We have here a pond. What is a pond? A small stretch of water. And in the water you can grow either flowery plants like the lotus, or you can put fish in it, whatever. Pond is a tiny place you make to store water to allow the fish to grow, some plants to grow. So pond is a place. You like to sit by the pond, watch the fish, watch the flowers, look at what's happening in the water. Good. So pond is a noun. Good. Shall we take another place? Yes. Here is another place. What is this word? It's a big word. Look and tell me. Market. What is that? Market. The market is also a place, a noun. What do you get at the market? You get everything at the market. Vegetables, fruits, bakery items, meat, fish, whatever you want. Toys sometime. At the market, you get all kinds of things. You go to one place, that's the market, and get things for the house together with mommy. So market is a place, it's a nice, colorful place to visit. It's a noun. The word market is a noun. Good. Look, when you go to study, you go to school. The word school is a noun. What are the things you do at school? You learn, you play, okay, then you make friends, you go to the library, then lots of things. Yes, the school is a place you love to go. Yes, the word school, the place school is a noun. Spell school, School, school. Good. Are you learning? What are names of places? Nouns. Names of places are nouns. You learned? Good. Let's go on. What do we have here? Read this word for me. Zoo. Very good. What is a zoo? It's a place where they keep wild animals. If you want to see some wild animal, we need to go to the zoo. Like zebra. You do not see zebra anyway, except in the big zoos or in the forest. Now, zoo is a place where you go to visit to see kinds of animals, birds, reptiles, everything. So zoo is a place. It's a noun. The word zoo. It's a noun. Good. Now what do we have here? We are going to look at now noun animals. We saw noun person, noun places. Now we're going to look at noun animal. All animal, whether domestic or wild, they're all nouns. Let's look at few of them. Shall we? Good. Here we are. Look what we have. We have an animal here named sea C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Where do you find camel? You find camel in the desert. He can walk in the desert. Look at his feet. In the hot desert. He can move about. Animal. Camel is the name of an animal and it's a noun. It's a lovely little animal. Look at his body, long leg. Look at his face. Yes. Look at the hump. The name of an animal. Any animal is a noun. Camel is a noun. Let's look at other animals too. Look what we have here. Beautiful little animal. Deer. Deer. Spell deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Lovely spots on him. Brown and yellow. And he looks so cute. Deer. Is the name of an animal. And it's a noun. Good. Shall we look at? Let's look at another animal. Look what you have here. Slow and steady. A tortoise always wins the race. Why? Because he goes slowly, steadily, all the time. Spell tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Tortoise. Look into your garden. You might find tiny tortoise. Look. And if you go near, he'll put his head inside. Why do you like the tortoise? Where is his house? He carries his own house behind. This is a thick, hard shell. Now, tortoise is an animal. The word tortoise is a noun. Good. Let's look at another animal. Here we are. Wow, all white. Even the bear is white. Spell it out. B-E-A-R. Bear. Look at this bear. You find it in the Iceland where there is only snow. And he's fat and nice and white, thick. He's got fur on him to keep him warm. Bear. This is a polar bear. In the cold places you find such beautiful bear. Now, bear is the name of an animal. It's a noun. Are you learning? Is it interesting? Good. Now, let's look at another. Look, a gorgeous, beautiful little animal. What is this? Zebra. Very good. Spell zebra. Is that E-B-R-A? Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. But if you like to see, you might find one if you go to the zoo. Now, zebra is a lovely little animal. The name of the animal is zebra and it's a noun. Yes? So, we are looking at names of animals, big and small. All are nouns. Good. Let's look at some more. We saw nouns of places, nouns, places, animals, persons. Now we are looking at nouns, things, all the things that you can see at home, outside, anywhere. Noun. We are going to look at nouns, the things around you. What do you see? Let's look. Good. Here we are. What is this? Chair. Where do you find chair? In your house. It's a noun. Name of a thing. Spell chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. So all the things in your house, if you can name it, spell it, they are all nouns. So chair, you sit on. You find chair in the school. You find chair in the office. You find chair at home. Yes, chair is a noun. Good. Shall we look at more things? Look what we have here. What is this? You have this in your house? Spell out. S-O-F-A. Sofa. Why do you like sofa? Oh, to sit down, comfortable. Who likes to sit on a sofa? Grandma. Good. So this is a sofa. Sofa is a thing. But sofa is a noun. Good. let's look at some more things. Shall we? Here, box. What do you put in the box? Anything. Clothes, toys, things. When you travel, you can put whatever you want. Spell box. B-O-X box. It can be a tiny box, a big box, any box. You have a box. What do you put in? Razor, pencil, pen. Yes, a tiny box. Here is a big box. And what do you put in? When you travel, put all your clothes, the things needed to go and stay wherever. Yes, so box is a thing and it's a noun. Good. Let's look at another. Here we are. What is this? Telephone. You can make a call, talk to your friend, talk to your dad. Yes. Now, look at it's a big word. Spell it out. T-E-L-E-P-H-O-N-E. Telephone. Telephone. Telephone is a thing. It's a noun. Yes. Where do you find telephone? In your house. Yes, if you have landline, you have one like this. In the school, at the office, anywhere. Good. So the word telephone. This is a noun. All the things in your house, if you can name it, they're all nouns. Good. Let's go on. Shall we? Here we are. What is this? Bag. Spell bag. B-A-G. Bag. Any bag. Any bag. Your school bag or mummy's bag or shopping bag. Any bag. Noun. You find all kinds of bags at home. Yes? Good. So the word bag is a thing, it's a noun. Did you enjoy? What did you do today? We learnt about nouns. What are nouns? Names of persons, places, animals, and things. Did you enjoy? Good.